This is page 33 in module 4. Um, let's see this warm-up. Write each fraction as a percent. So we have 3 over 10. There are two different ways you can do it. So first way, you can set up a proportion to solve for x, the percentage. So like this, so 3 over 10 is equal to something over 100. So to get 10 to 100, you multiply by 10. And you can also multiply. So whatever you do to the bottom, you also have to multiply the same number to the top as well. So it's going to be 3 times 10 is equals to 30. So it's 30%. Or you can do cross multiplication. So you just cross multiply. So 3 times 100 will give you 300 is equal to 10 times x. So it's going to be 10x. So 10 times 30 would be 300. So it's going to be 30. So there's this way. Or you can just simply divide 3, the numerator, by the denominator. So 3 divided by 10 will give you 0.3. So from here, it's a decimal, so you would have to multiply by 100 to get 30%. Okay, so multiplying by 100 would just be you moving the decimal place to the right twice. So by the number of zeros. So it's going to be 1, 2. So there's a placeholder. It's going to be 30%. Okay. So number 1 is 30%. Number 2, if you just do it the same way, you would get 25%. Okay. Number 3 is going to be 45%. Number 4 will be 40%. Okay, so I suggest you guys stop the video and try this on your own and see if you get these answers correctly. Okay. And let's go over these definitions. The theoretical probability of an event so theoretical probability of an event is a ratio of the number of desired outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. So this is the kind of probability you have been working with in previous lessons. So all we've been doing were the theoretical probability. So theoretical probability, easily said, is what we expect to happen. Okay. So we've done a lot of like examples with spinners or you drawing a marble from a bag. Those are all theoretical probabilities. So theoretically, what are the chances of you rolling a green marble out of a total bag or whatever, okay? For experimental probability is a ratio of the number of times an event occurs to the total number of trials performed. So it's actually being done what actually happens. So theoretical is what we expect to happen. Experimental is what actually happens. Okay, so experimental probability is a number of times the event occurs, what actually occurs, over the total number of trials that you've done. Okay.